And today...
Happy Easter, sorry.
Happy Easter! Today we are opening surprise eggs. As you can see, there's huge eggs on the table. And Zach has this thing that wouldn't fit in his egg.
It's a Darth Vader bubbles.
And let me scoot it up here so you guys can see it. And all it is bubbles. And now he
is going to open his Easter egg.
And we have surprises in all of these. Ooh, I got glue.
Okay.
We got a vinyl pop figure that is
show it to the
glue.
show it to the people. Show it to the viewers. There. Okay, let him open it.
Like this one. Not quite like that, but okay.
Go on, get.
Come on, glue.
Oh, this is gonna be messy.
Okay. No.
Yeah.
Wait, you got it out.
Okay. Show it to the people.
Okay. No, stop. Let's out this trash. Hey, look at this baby.
Okay, put it there. Put it on.
And I got ball. It's Dancing Groot, as you can see. La 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 la.
Okay, put it on the front.
What else did you get in your egg?
He's
What else did you get in your egg? What kind of ball?
Spider-Man.
Oh,
That's
okay,
it.
put
It lights up. It lights up.
Ooh, awesome.
Okay, put it on the front of the table. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Emma, it's your turn.
Okay.
No,
This is the Big Mama egg.
That's our egg, Emma.
That's mine.
It's yours and Anna's.
Okay.
Mom.
Ooh. Here is
Elsa
And Elsa Pop.
No, the
That's
Elsa.
theirs.
Yeah.
So now put this away, Mom. Let me get it out.
And we also got a Frozen.
No, that's
mine.
Emma's.
Oh. Frozen Pop.
I got a Frozen pin.
What is it?
I've been wanting these forever. A Frozen dog tag. And there's pretty colors. Mama. And Elsa
So
was
break it.
flying. Okay, here's Elsa.
And here's Anna.
She's just really pretty, and I just love her. I don't know why. Okay, let me give you a closer look of this Frozen
And here's Anna.
pin.
She's so
Let's see Anna.
Okay.
I'm going to show Daddy this.
Well, she's.
Hey,
well,
Daddy.
There we go.
And then there's like sparkles on the back. And then there's a cute puffball and an Olaf little balloon thing. And then my favorite thing out of this egg, Frozen dog tag. I've been wanting these for like 2 years.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
And there's like a dog tag in here.
Well, look at what's the percentage on there? The one and what?
My sheet said includes 1 of 8 sticker sheets, so there's 8 stickers to collect, and 1 of 24 unique dog tags. So there's 24 dog tags to collect. I think it's my favorite one. Oh, this is so cool because it's Lex and Kay's Adventures from Disney, and it says Sisters Forever, and they're sisters.
Okay.
As you can see. And I'm gonna show this to you guys. It is a dog tag that says Sisters Forever.
Okay.
Look at back.
And
There we go.
on the back of these, they say Frozen, and they say what it is. It's Sisters, and it's 4 of 24. And let me see what my sticker is.
It's right.
My sticker
Anna fell down.
is Olaf. Let me rock this out for you. Okay. Okay. Here is Olaf. Okay, your turn to open your eggs.
Yeah.
Oh no, wait. Let me show you guys all of them to collect.
And we also got frozen dog tags.
Yes.
Look.
Here's all 24 dog tags. And then here's all 8 stickers.
Okay.
Let's see what you guys get. Mom,
We also got dog.
this is special day.
Sorry about Zach, people. Let's see what we got. We got Olaf.
Here, let me take it out.
Let's see what kind of sticker we get. We got just frozen snowflake stuff.
Here is the dog tag that they got. 14 of 24 and Olaf on the back. Let me show them your sticker up close. Sticker right here. Mom, it's not go upstairs. There's a cold heart sticker, a logo of Frozen, and a snowflake sticker. Okay. What else do you have?
That's all we've got. So we hope you like this video.
Okay, we're gonna line them up for you guys
Yes.
so you can see them all at once. So yeah, let me get ready. Let me line them up.
Yeah, let's move the egg out of the way.
There's the 2 pops.
Okay, dog tag.
My dog tag.
Zachary, put your ball in front of the table. Come on. He's just playing with it.
Okay, he's gonna show you the ball. He's already showed you the ball.
Okay, and these
wait.
are our stuff.
Here is
The stickers.
stickers
Yeah,
from
put
the
it-
dog tags.
So we hope you enjoyed. Like,
Comment,
share,
and subscribe.